Hey, animal detectives! Welcome to Quizzy. Think you know everything about the animal kingdom? We've got a Wild 30 quiz lined up just for you. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. Which one sleeps only 1 hour a day? Leopard or giraffe? Yep, it's giraffe. Which one has the strongest bite? Crocodile or lion? Crocodile. Which one doesn't have blood? Starfish or octopus? Any ideas? Starfish, which is mostly made of water. Which one sleeps with one eye open? Dolphin or whale? It's dolphin. Which one runs the fastest? Kangaroo or ostrich? It's the ostrich. It can run up to 40 miles per hour. Which one has teeth? Snail or frog? This one's sneaky. The snail. It has a toothed tongue. Which one can lift the most times its own weight? Gorilla or ant? You got it. The ant can carry 1,000 times its weight. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment your score.